Finch, number 2 by Nathaniel, last time winner here on the track, is stepping up in class today to wins over 20 races. They're off and racing with Lino Duchesne in white sleeves and blue silk, Occhio alla Penna along the rail in second in black sleeves, purple and green stripes, Highland King mid-pack behind towards the first hurdle. Fifth outside, number 2 Finch in orange that leaves Jasmine Dularge in maroon and blue cap as back marker of the race as they're going to approach the second jump safely over on this at the end of the home stretch. The right-handed turn for the field led by Lino Duchesne and Gabriele Agus. Second towards the inside, Occhio alla Penna and Jan Tocqueville. Finch in third. The field is going to approach the jump number 3 before taking the right-handed turn that introduce the 5 horses into the first of the 2 diagonal. Lino Duchesne under good pace over number 4, Highland King. Occhio alla Penna lose some ground in fourth. Jasmine Dularge as back marker of the race. Jump number 4, not so fluent for Occhio alla Penna. Now the wall jump. Lino Duchesne is making an increase in the pace. Now is more than 3-4 lengths in front. The left-handed turn with Highland King in second, Finch in third along the rail, Occhio alla Penna for 5 lengths off the pace, Jasmine Dularge a bit far behind. The second bend approach by Lino Duchesne. Highland King is improving in second, left in third. Finch, jump number 6 has gone safely over, and they're going to cross the first of the 2 jumps over the second diagonal. Lino Duchesne, left side of the screen, Highland King, Finch in third, Occhio alla Penna in fourth, and Jasmine Dularge in fifth. Towards the jump number 9 at the end of the second diagonal. Very, very bad jump for Highland King, and its rider Jan Faltisek remains steady on top in front of the grandstand side after the jump number 10. Lino Duchesne still carving out very good and hot fractions around the second last turn. Second Finch, followed by Occhio alla Penna. Highland King and then Jasmine Dularge seems to be out of the race. Up to the backstretch with 5 more flights to travel in the first steeplechase race here in the meeting in Pisa San Rossore, where Lino Duchesne is going to be approached by Occhio alla Penna. Finch 3 lengths behind along the rail. Highland King and Jasmine Dularge. Jump number 12 on the way for the leader Lino Duchesne. Occhio alla Penna is crossing better than the pace setter that is going to increase thoroughly the pace. Now is 5 in front. The last jump up to the backstretch, 3 more flights to travel in total. Lino Duchesne, then Occhio alla Penna, Finch, Jasmine Dularge, and Highland King around the far bend. They are going to run. Lino Duchesne, since the beginning, is the one that is showing the speed and has now 1 more flight to travel. Lino Duchesne, Occhio alla Penna is now trying to chase hardly the leader that is still 2.5 in front. Well ridden by Gabriele Agus. Much depend on the last flight with Lino Duchesne that is quite clear in front. Now is going to cross the last hurdle in a good way. It's Lino Duchesne is standing the way along the rail. Then in second, Occhio alla Penna. Lino Duchesne, number 3, without any effort, is the first winner of the day in Pisa San Rossore, 3-1 in first and second. Then comes Highland King over Jasmine Dularge. 3-1, 4-5. That's the provisional results here in Pisa San Rossore. Lino Duchesne, Gabriele Agus, Raf Romano, Laura Righi, the first winning connection of the day in Pisa.